Miami, Florida door installation services are essential for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's security and aesthetic appeal. With a wide range of options available, Miami door contractors offer expert solutions tailored to meet the unique needs of each client. Whether you're looking for Miami custom doors or need Miami door upgrades, the best door replacement Miami FL has to offer can transform your home. For those in need of Miami door replacement, the city's top professionals provide comprehensive services to address any issues. From Miami door frame replacement to Miami door hinge replacement, these experts ensure that your doors function smoothly and efficiently. Miami, Florida door replacement experts are equipped to handle everything from minor adjustments to major overhauls, ensuring your doors are in top condition. Miami Hurricane doors are a crucial investment for residents in this storm-prone region. Miami FL Hurricane door installation services offer robust solutions designed to withstand extreme weather conditions. These doors not only provide protection but also enhance the overall value of your property. Miami, Florida door installation experts are skilled in fitting these specialized doors to ensure maximum safety and durability. Sliding door replacement Miami services are ideal for those looking to upgrade their patio or interior spaces. Miami, Florida sliding door replacement and installation experts offer a variety of styles and materials to choose from, ensuring a perfect fit for your home. Whether you need Miami patio doors or Miami, Florida custom door solutions, these professionals deliver exceptional results. Entry door replacement. Miami services are perfect for homeowners seeking to make a strong first impression. Miami, Florida entry door replacement options include a wide range of designs and materials, allowing you to customize your entryway to suit your style. Miami front door replacement experts provide seamless installation and maintenance services to keep your entry doors looking and functioning their best. Miami door maintenance is crucial for prolonging the life of your doors and ensuring they operate smoothly. Miami, Florida door maintenance services include regular inspections, adjustments, and replacements to keep your doors in optimal condition. Miami door specialists offer tailored maintenance plans to suit your specific needs, ensuring your doors remain in top shape year-round. Miami door hardware installation is an essential service for those looking to enhance the functionality and security of their doors. Miami, Florida door hardware installation experts provide a wide range of options, from Miami door locks to Miami door hinges, ensuring your doors are equipped with the best components available. These professionals ensure precise installation for maximum performance and security. Miami door glass replacement services are ideal for those looking to update or replacement their existing doors. Miami, Florida door glass replacement experts offer a variety of glass options, from energy-efficient to decorative designs, to suit your needs. Whether you're looking to improve insulation or enhance the aesthetic appeal of your doors, Miami door glass specialists provide top-notch solutions. Miami Door Company offerings include a comprehensive range of services to meet all your door-related needs, from Miami door installation to door replacement. Miami, these companies provide expert solutions tailored to your specific requirements. Miami, Florida Door Company professionals are dedicated to delivering high-quality results and exceptional customer service.